Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Way to Crack IELTS, and today's cute art topic is describe an art exhibition you visited. So if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So let's begin. Art exhibition is a place where art of most of the artists are exposed to their audiences, and it is a good way to pay back to the most of the artists in our country. There are lots of art exhibitions which are held in my city most of the time, but recently I visited an art exhibition which was organized by administration of our city, and it was organized in a community hall. Best thing is that it was free of cost, so I also visited that, and over there I get to know about most of the popular painters through that exhibition, which was M.F. Hussain, Raja Ravi Verma. So there were a lot of paintings over there which really helped me to improve my ideas, my imagination, my art as well. I also tried my hands in paintings after that, but I'm not so good. But all in all, what I gained from there is I get to know about their paintings, how they paint it, how they get their imagination. So even I believe that people should take their children to these art exhibitions instead of taking them to amusement parks, because it could really help them to improve their intellectual ability, mental ability, so which would help them in their future. And which I get to know from there is that the cheapest painting was of 10,000 rupees and the most expensive painting was of approximate 10 lakh rupees. Even I also want to buy a painting, but it was out of my pocket, so I haven't got that. That was an art exhibition which I visited recently. Thank you so much. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.